everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Royce and welcome. I'm back, guys. I know I've been gone for a little bit now, but I'm back, guys. I'm back and I'm coming back strong, and I'm going to get back on this weight loss journey. I have a lot of stuff to tell you guys. I have a lot of life updates, and I'll also let you guys know what I'm going to be doing for this channel and what I'm also going to be doing for my weight loss as well. I'm still on this challenge trying to lose weight. I'm getting there slowly but sure, and I'm also going to let you know that I did get on Zepbound. I've been on it for 3 months, so I'll give you all the details. So if you want to hear all the details, guys, stay tuned. For my weight loss, I am currently weighing 206.5 as of this morning. I've been doing the same thing, the protein shakes. I've been eating up and down, and I'm still working on my diet. My diet is not the greatest, but I've been doing mainly intermittent fasting. I would probably eat like lunch at 12, and then I'll probably cheat at night and everything. So I'm still working on my diet, but I'm so glad that I've kept the weight off, because I've been off for like 5 months or something like that, or 6 months from my last video. But I'm excited, guys. I'm moving on track, and when it comes to my workouts, I've been walking in the morning. I'm still doing my 3-mile walk, and I'm also doing a workout with my husband. We're doing the 75-day challenge with it's an ab workout and weights. So that's what we've been doing. We're in week 3, and I have some video footage for you guys, so you guys will be able to see in this video. And also, what else have I been doing? That's about it when it comes to the workouts. And then for the Zepbound, let me show you. So I finally got approved, guys. I got approved for Zepbound. I was actually approved in last year, November or October, but I never went to get the prescription because I was like, you know what, I can do it, I'm strong and all that stuff. But I tried, guys, and my blood pressure started going back up, and I was just struggling. There was just a lot of stuff going on in my life. So I was like, you know what, Nana, you are approved for a year, so why not just go ahead and, you know, use a prescription. I'm a military spouse, as you guys know, so the VA is paying for it, so it's not coming out of my pocket and everything. So my husband's insurance on the military is paying for it. So I'm like, okay, why am I struggling? Let me just take it, and it'll help me, and it'll help me get healthy and all that stuff, because I really need this for my health so that I can lose weight. Because my blood pressure, me and being overweight does not work, because I had so many health complications, and that's another reason why I wasn't filming and every time, because I was just overexhausted and everything, and they told me I needed to lose weight because it wasn't good for me. So I had no choice but to try and lose weight. So anyway, I got the Zepbound. This is, you see the boxes? I saved these boxes for you guys so that I can show you that yes, I was on the program, or yes, this is as far as I have been. So this is how the box looks like, and I get 4 of these every month, and I put it on by myself, like I inject myself. I don't go to the hospital to do it. And then yeah, I'm on the 7.5. Is it 0.7.5? That's what I am on right now. Let's see. No, this was the 2, because I had to take the tag off, guys. Yeah, so they started me on the lowest dose, which was 2.5, and then they took me to the next month. They took me to 5. Yeah, they took me to 5.0, and then now I'm at 7.5. That's what I am on right now. It's working well. I want the doctor to increase it to like a 1, but it is cutting my appetite. I have been off it now for like a week because I forgot to put in the prescription, and you know, military takes time. I should have done it earlier. So Monday today marks like a week without me being on the medication, and I'm starting to get, like, when I wake up, I'm getting hungry or angry. No, not angry, but hungry in the morning. Like, I feel the hunger pains, but I haven't been eating as much as I used to. I'm being cautious with what I eat. I'm a foodie, as you guys, if you remember, so it's very difficult for me to stay away from nice delicious food, and I can cook, so it even makes it harder because when I cook it smells good and I want to try it. So yeah, so I have been on Zepbound for 3 months and it's been going well, guys. But the other thing I noticed about this weight loss medicine, guys, just a little bit, I'll do a detailed review on the medicine. But what I have noticed is that you are not going to lose weight on this if you don't work on your diet, and you need to work out. The first month I was just walking and that wasn't enough, and my diet wasn't all that great. But what I noticed is that if I eat less, like if I'm under eating plus this plus working out, then I do see the weight loss, although it's gradual, because this is 3 months. I should be like smaller than this, but I blame it on my diet too. But I'm going to try and zone in and just focus and see how, if I can do Zepbound. I do the Zepbound for a month and then eat strict, like just focus on the diet and work out and see how much weight I'll lose in that 1 month. But that will be a challenge for later. But yeah, guys, so this is what I have been on, and I stopped working my last day, and then on a bit of my life update, guys. I'm no longer working. I'm now back to being a stay-at-home mom, a housewife. So my last day at work was May 30th. That was last week Friday. I was going to do a whole video for you guys and vlog and everything, but there was just so much going on that I didn't have time to do that. But yeah, guys, my last day was June 30th. So that was my last day of work, and here's a picture over here. That is if I was still inserted. But yeah, guys, so now I'm going to be home and taking care of my family and taking care of my kids, and then I'll do more of the videos for you guys, because yeah, I'll be home, so I have no excuse. And I'm also trying to zone in into my social media and become a real influencer. I'm going to give this influencer thing a try and like be permanent and serious about it and just see how far it can take me. But I'm going to stay home for now. And I actually took the VAR. The VAR is the thing that the government is offering people to leave, to resign work, and then you get paid until September 30th. So that's what I took, so there was that opportunity. And since I'm a military spouse, we move most of the time, like every 3 years. So we're coming up on our 3 years. That's in December. So that's another reason why I took it. So because I know I'll be leaving in December or November. So I might as well stay home, clean up, declutter before we go on our next move, and who knows what happens. So I took the opportunity that was given to me. And the beauty part about it is if I ever want to work again in the government, I can always go back and work again. So that's a bonus. But right now I'm going to focus on my family and focus on building my channel and focus on trying to become an influencer, a YouTuber full-time. So guys, you'll be seeing a lot of my videos. And guys, thank you so very much for watching. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that every time when I post a new video, you'll be notified. And also guys, down in the comments, let me know what kind of videos you would like me to post or to do. I'm going to also be decorating around the house, like, getting my house together. I'm also going to be doing like vlogging. Like I'm going to try and give you guys 2 videos a week, which will be Wednesdays and Sundays. I'm going to give you guys my weight loss updates on Sunday, and then I'm going to give you a vlog on Wednesdays. That's my plan starting next week. Starting this Sunday, I'll have the workout video, and then I'll post, of course, this video today, which is Monday. But yeah, guys, I'm excited. I can't wait to see how this journey goes, and I hope it does work out, because sometimes I'm so stuck in my head. I've had this channel since 2018-19, but I have been so stuck in my head. I want everything to be perfect and all that stuff, and time keeps on going. But you know what, guys, I'm just going to film. You're going to see my life. But I will tell you, this is not a family channel. This is my channel, just me. I might post pictures here of my family and stuff like that on a celebration or stuff like that. But this is strictly my channel, and it's not a family channel. It's going to be about military wife moving around the world or around the States. It's going to be about me trying to do my daily duties as stay-at-home mom and a stay-at-home wife, and it'll be about fitness. It'll be about motivating each other, you know, trying to get healthy and trying to get our glow back, still look cute and all that stuff. So you'll see me shopping, you'll see me cooking, you'll see most of my days. But yeah, guys, so I hope you guys will like this kind of content. Please put down in the comments what other type of content you'd like to see on my channel, and then we can go from that, guys. But thank you so very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that every time I post a new video, you'll be notified. And thank you so very much for watching. Bye bye.